WebAPI fuzzing performs fuzz testing of API operation parameters. Fuzz testing sets operation parameters to unexpected values in an effort to cause unexpected behavior and errors in the API backend, helping us discover bugs and potential security issues that other QA processes may miss. Here, we are looking at a merge request. When expanding the Security Scanning tab, we can see that API fuzzing detected one potential vulnerability. Once we click on that vulnerability, we have information on what exactly happened. We can see that there was a service error encountered when performing a post on the URL with the path notes/add. So we have the status showing that it was detected. We have a description telling exactly what was sent and what happened. We can see what project it was in, what method was used, what URL was targeted, the request that was sent, what the expected response should be, and what the actual response was. The evidence that an issue did occur was that an invalid status code of 500 was detected during testing. These vulnerabilities are also actionable. They can be dismissed with a message, letting the security team know that this may not be an issue. A confidential issue can also be created, so that the security team and developer can work on this in private. This is helpful because it allows us to avoid issues before pushing code to production.